Yan guys, this is the part 2 of our walking around Reno downtown. So ito pala guys, pakita ko. Yan dati, ayan dati. Doon sila sila nanay. So ito yung Calneva, one of the oldest casinos here in Reno. So diyan sila mother dati nung nagtatrabaho. So mamaya natin yan, go tayo diretso doon. Pero punta muna tayo doon para makita ni Jet yung mga ibang lugar pa. So lakad tayo dito. So ito yung strip ng Reno. Ganito siya. Para makita. Kari natin. Yan noon nilalakad ko yan. Kasi dito lang noon. Doon pa siya nakatira noon. Downtown lang. Mas malapit. Lapit na ang puntahan. So after around 20 years or more, no? Yeah. Or almost. Let's say mga 2004 ata last time I was here. So, nakabalik ako dito.
You've been here for how many times?
Hindi ko na matandaan. Noon parang marami taon-taon.
Guys, this is my first time in
pero
America.
Si this is first time here.
With no actual work.
Parang taon-taon noon.
Walang trabaho.
Meron naman.
Meron naman. Freelancing.
Oo.
Pero wala ako yung current work na
Meron naman siya. Pero hindi yung the usual
consistent
employee
na
kasi.
employee.
Kasi more on outsourcing. Yeah. Okay, so ito, ganito itsura niya. Let's let's cross na tayo.
This is the first time.
Cross tayo. Doon, wala na talaga ata. Kasi ginawa atang stadium yun. So, but anyways, no, let's just look at that.
Vietnamese noodle. You want? Let's try.
Yeah. Sige, pakita ko yung area doon, guys. Wait lang.
Very cold.
So, guys, ito yung lugar. Naging na siya. It is a stadium. Greater Nevada Field.
What's that? What's the purpose
I don't know.
of establishing
Ay, sorry.
that stadium?
Parang ata ito. Football stadium. I don't know.
Okay, for sports.
Oo.
Just like a sports
Yan.
complex.
Yung lugar na yan, exactly where this place
Father.
is erected. Diyan dati yung kanilang apartment. Oh.
They used to believe
Yeah.
here in this place.
The apartment used to be here before.
Oh, there's no.
Ayan, tapos doon yung yung may river doon. Gusto mong puntahan?
Oh, let's
Ayan.
go. Before we eat.
Oo. May ilog doon.
So what's the name of the river?
Rocky River.
Truckee?
Pero mahaba yan hanggang doon yan sa downtown. Mamaya i-vlog natin. Para may share din natin sa kanila.
If we vlog it at night.
Maganda rin sa umaga. Pero sa gabi, of course, we have different vlog na ipapakita
At
sa
night,
kanila.
in the morning.
Sa gabi natin
In the evening.
pakita rin natin yung gabi kasi yung Las Vegas na vlog ko yun sa gabi. So, dito tingnan din natin yung itsura ng Reno, Nevada sa gabi. Yan. Medyo mahaba pa. Teka, i-pause ko muna. So, ito na guys yung yung Greater Nevada Field. No? It's now a stadium. So, dati
Okay,
dito
okay. Can we get there?
Parang
Can we
hindi.
get in?
Parang hindi ata. So, yan siya. Dati, dito lang nilalakad ko lang. Papunta doon sa...
Okay,
punta
just
sa
want to
kanila.
go
Nilalakad
inside.
ko lang noon to.
Can we go inside?
Ay,
No, no.
ganda.
Let's check. I think
Mamaya,
it
tingnan
will be
natin.
better if we go here
Parang sarado eh.
in the evening.
So dito mismo yung lugar nila mother noon.
Mother and father
Yeah.
used to live here.
Tapos ito yung ano,
Oh my God.
may tulay dito. May tulay dito, yan. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung itsura ngayon dito ng tulay. Ayan yung Truckee River. So, it's a river.
This is the famous Truckee River.
Mahaba yan.
Oh,
Gandoon.
I like the water flowing.
Yeah. Pag daw winter, nag-yellow din yan.
It's literally freezing.
Yeah. So yan, dito noon nakatayo yung apartment pero stadium na siya ngayon.
Demolished.
Wala na siya. I think pwedeng pumunta sa baba. Do you want to?
Let's try to check it.
Dito na
If
lang
the
sa
river
itaas.
is actually great to have photos.
Okay. Ito siya. Yan.
Oh my God, someone's fishing.
Yeah. But you need to get a permit before you can fish.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
I don't have.
Hindi pwedeng basta-basta ka lang mangingisda. So yan ang Truckee River. Yan, dito noon, dyan sa area na yan, which is now a stadium, dyan may apartment noon. And I remember, yan, tumatawid lang ako doon sa downtown, few minutes to walk. So, yan, this is a nice place na nakita ko ngayon uli itong Rio Nevada. So, I'll stop my second part of the vlog here and then doon tayo sa kabilang portion ulit.